Hi, well this week we're going to be doing a beautiful addition to our lovely Peach Peony posy that we did, and we're going to make it into a chintz inspired design. And what I've done is I've added some beautiful dark leaves from the fringe flower and some lovely little gnarly rosebuds. And what we're going to be doing is looking at really lovely contrast colour on the leaves of the rose and on the dark leaves of the fringe flower, and getting that lovely strong shadow on one side and lovely light on the other side. And we've added the twigs in really just to give it a little bit of diagonal interest. So I hope you enjoy doing this project. I've certainly enjoyed doing it, and we've got lots of lovely little aspects to learn.